Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me for Singapore FinTech Festival coverage is Amel, Rigneau, founder and CEO of DigitalMind Media, to discuss the impact of COVID-19 on entrepreneurs. Amel, it's great to meet you virtually. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Great to have you with us. And tell us about DigitalMind Media and what you are helping startups to do.
So DigitalMind Media is a consulting boutique. We are helping startups to grow all over the world, and we are focused on their business model, their business plan, and how to go to market and adapt their services and product into local market here in Asia.
And Amel, what's the impact of COVID-19 on the startup ecosystem? 2020 certainly put a lot of challenges out there that were very unexpected.
Definitely. So I will begin with a personal feeling. So here in Asia, literally, we saw one by one the country coming to lockdown in few days. So I told to my kids, I hope that it will be the only time that we will see this kind of situation. And definitely, all the economy, all the activity has been stopped and freeze in really quickly. Like this. And the top concern for the startups, we are the more vulnerable in this situation. There were cash, ability to raise capital, and losing customer. So I have to pivot my activity, not only to help them to growth, but to cope with this situation. So, and to cope with these emergencies. So I work with them to keep their cash, how they will do it, to focus on their core activity so they will keep their remain customers, and even to identify all the government measures that we have in place, because we are some countries here in Asia, we're really lucky. We have a lot of grants, wage relief, grant relief, tax relief, even tax relief. And even during the lockdown, I put myself in pro bono as a mentor of local startups, and I'm really glad to tell you that all the startups that I help still running, so they're still running operation. And really, in this situation, I saw this adage, innovation and creativity come during crisis. And definitely, I saw it within the startups ecosystem. They are really flexible, they embrace the change. I help them to pivot even their business model. And we can even see it. They are trying to help the government, the countries, to fully go digital. For example, everybody now knows Zoom. Everybody is using
what we're
Zoom.
Doing right now, yeah.
And one of the startups that I'm helping is an edtech, and they have this incredible innovation. They are using AI